Hey everyone! So what I have for you today is the opportunity to pre-order a junk journal kit, much like the ones that I just released in my Etsy shop that sold a couple of days ago. What I'm going to do in this video is just show you the book or the book cover. There are a couple here that are already gutted. I'll show you the book that will be included because that's usually the starting point of any of my kits. I pick a book and then I base the rest of the kit around the cover. So what's going to happen is if you decide you want to pre-order one of these kits, you will go to the link below in my Etsy shop, and all kits that are ordered within this next week will be ready to ship by Monday, August the 6th. So first I have a couple of these that are covers that were already gutted. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to send the cover and a additional book block so that you actually have all that extra paper as well. So first there's this children's book cover, and it measures about 5.5 by 8 inches tall. The spine is small, so it's like about a 1/2 inch spine. So what you could do is you could take this apart and you could rebuild a wider spine and do something like that, much like the all the tutorials going around right now of the little golden books where people are extending the spine. So you could do something like that. It's a really nice blue color, and you can see that a child at some point did some writing on it as well. So it's really cute. So this would be kit number 1 if you're looking in the description below. This one here I had originally planned to do something with, so what I did is I gutted it, and I've already reinforced the spine with a piece of book cloth, so it's all ready to go to do something with if you wanted to leave it that way. So this one measures 5.5, and it's 8.5 tall. And that's a 1 1/4 inch spine. It's a really nice green color. And the writing is a navy blue, if you can see that. So this would be kit number 2. And then the last one that's been gutted is this very nice red color. It's showing up a little bit brighter on the camera, I think. The spine on it is very faded, but it's got a nice title section there. So this one measures almost 5.5 by 8 1/4 tall, and that looks like to be about a 1 inch spine. And this will be kit number 3. Now I've got kit number 4, and this is a very large book, and it's going to be intact. And it's almost 6.5 inches wide and 9 3/4 inches tall, and the spine is about 1.25 inches. It's really lovely inside. It's about a rainbow, and there's all kinds of really nice images. So if you're into doing collage and stuff, there's even some plates in here. A lot of the black and white images that you could include in your collages or in junk journals. Kit number 5 will have this dark purple and gold book, and this is not a vintage book. It's more modern, but I really loved the vintagey frame on here, and it has it on the back. So this would look nice with maybe an old vintage photo layered with fabrics and things. The spine has the nice ridges on it and the gold. So this one here is 5.5 by 8.5, and that's a 1 inch spine. And it's a really nice color. So this is kit number 5. kit number 6, I've got this gorgeous little green book. So this would make a nice nature journal. It's called Green Willow. It's got a lovely image here of what looks to be an old village with a church in the center of it. It measures 5.5 by 8.5, and that's about a 1/2 inch spine. There are a few little black and white images in here on the chapter titles, I think. And it's a nice book cloth. Number 7 is this gorgeous black and red book. It's 5 3/4 by a little over 8.5, and this is a 1 1/4 inch spine, and this will be sent to you intact. So you'll have all kinds of text paper to create envelopes and tags and backgrounds. So this is number 7. And finally, I have kit number 8. This is the gorgeous book that will be included. It's got the gold design on here, and it's a really nice dark blue. It's not quite navy. And this is 5.5 by almost 8.5. And that's a 1.5 inch spine. These kits are going to contain a lot of the same type of junk and ephemera as the kits that I just released, so you can have a look at that video again if you want to have some idea of what's going to be included before you decide to pre-order. And as I said, these will all ship out if ordered within the next week. They will ship out the first week of August, or more specifically August 6th. I will send them all out. Thanks for watching.